see here is the voltage rising. Uh, I have two fuel cell here. One is charging producing hydrogen gas and oxygen gas from another fuel cell which have no casing yet. So you can see that the voltage now is 0.23 and rising. There's no applied voltage here, only the supply of hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. So the tube that's over the top is your oxygen, that's why it was open and there's no electrolyte here. So now the voltage is 0.25 and still rising. The tube that's under is your hydrogen, which is under, and look at that, the voltage now is 0.26 and it's still rising. So meaning to say, using hydrogen gas and oxygen gas was supplying by this one, and it was connected to my power supply that produced hydrogen and oxygen gas. And now the voltage is increasing to 0.27 volts, meaning it was right, using capillary force, and over that is your oxygen, which is your cathode, supplying gas, and the one over is your hydrogen, this one, that's your hydrogen gas. And look at now the voltage, it is now increasing. So enough supply of hydrogen gas and oxygen gas will turn this motor. That's it. Yeah, it's still rising. So that's this connection. Hydrogen gas, that's your negative, on under cathode, oxygen, the top. So you can see that's supplying another fuel cell, and the terminal, I get the two terminal here. So it was connected to my tester, so we can see if this is really going to work. It was really going to work, because I was not supplying this by any voltage source. Only the terminal was connected to the tester. So you can see that it was supplying. There's no way that this thing have a voltage like this. So a good electrolyte and a good hydrogen gas and capillary force will do the rest. Okay, thanks for watching.